Okay guys, so what we're gonna be doing right here is we're gonna be making a umbrella stand out of this beautiful flower pot right here. So umbrella is gonna go into that pipe there. I just leveled it up. I put 160 pounds of Quikrete inside of it. So I put these two 80-pound bags of Quikrete in there. And so what we're gonna do, guys, I'll show you guys the umbrella, what we're gonna do in just a second. And I leveled that up, so I'm gonna let that water seep through. I mixed it up in there, so I want to let that water seep through so it can get through all that concrete, all the dry concrete that's in there in the middle will get soaked in and wet and harden up. So, all right, so here's the umbrella. It is a big umbrella, guys. So, this umbrella here is made by Outdoora. I think that's the name of it. But anyway, so it's solar power, 56 LED lights on it. I did already put one up, so this is what basically what it's going to look like right here. I did put one up already, but I'm going to take it back down because I want to do it in the flower pot. So in this thing here, you get the solar battery kit, which comes with a charger, the solar panel that goes on top of this. So what we're going to do is unscrew this counterclockwise, and once you unscrew that counterclockwise, you take that off, and that right there is actually an electrical port right there that you're going to plug your solar panel into. Okay guys, so here's the umbrellas in the pot. I have 160 pounds of concrete in both of those pots, that one and that pot right there. So I got 160 pounds of concrete in there, and that's one umbrella, and this is two umbrella, second umbrella rather. And I'm gonna tell you, I like these because it's solar. You have 3 settings on here, so this is your battery life right there, and your wiring is all up in the pole there, but you have 3 settings. So the first setting is going to be on low, second is medium, third is high, and then the fourth time you click it, it's going to go off. So again, the solar panel is on the top. It sits right on the top of that up there, so you can grab all that good sunlight. And so that's it, guys. So these are my 2 that I put in the pot, that pot there and this pot here. So if you guys got an umbrella, especially for solar powered, you can actually use some concrete inside of a large flower pot, put the concrete in there, level her up, and you have something that you can enjoy through the summer. Shade and nighttime, you have the solar to give you some light.